Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Along with staying hydrated, getting sufficient sleep, managing stress and maintaining a good hygiene, having a balanced diet and eating a right food not only keeps us healthy but also strengthens our immune system. Hence today I'm going to share some of the best food recipes that's power packed with full of vitamins, minerals and healthy nutrients. These immune boosting recipes is what I normally prepare for my family for staying healthy and also to boost their immunity. Hope you find this video useful. Keep watching. So let's start with gooseberry, which is also known as amla. It's power packed with nutrients and is an excellent source of vitamin C and it boosts immune system. While buying, try to buy fresh green amlas without having brown spots or blemishes. Either eat the amla raw or you can make various dishes out of it. Today sharing a very simple and a basic amla recipe that we normally include in our daily routine. So into a bowl, add washed amlas, then add sufficient water to it. Add little salt and turmeric powder. Then to it I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds, as it gives a nice aroma and adds taste to amla. Mix it well and then keep it for boiling. Now we need to cook the amla here. I prefer to cook for 30 to 40% only in order to retain the crunchiness and the soft texture of it. If you want it more soft, you may cook little more. It's been 5 minutes and the amla has turned slightly soft. Let me show you. If you just press it, you'll find that it's slightly soft. So at this stage, I switch off the flame and allow the amla to cool down completely. Once amla cools down completely, we may transfer it to a glass jar along with its water and keep it in fridge and it will stay fresh for 2 weeks. Amlas are also good for digestion. It improves eyesight, it's good for hair and so on. You may also make pickle, dips or sauces out of amla. I love to have amlas in this way. Now let me break and show you. Look at it. It's soft, it easily gets separated and it goes great as a side dish with rice and even with rotis. These are the ones that I made 2 weeks back. Look at it. It still looks and tastes fresh. Now let's move on. The next one is cumin seeds and black peppercorns, that's Zeera and Kali Mirch. It's a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It's one of the most common and the best ingredient that goes in most of the curries and stews. It's not only boosts the immune system but also fights against various illness and keeps body healthy and strong. Using these ingredients along with a superfood garlic, we're gonna make a rasam, which is a tamarind based nutrition dense soup or curry. Making rasam, into a mortar and pestle, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns and crush them. Then add garlic cloves with skin on and then crush them too. Ingredient details for all the recipes are given in the description box. Please do check out. Now the spice mix is ready. Now take 2 tomatoes. Here I have taken frozen ones. You may take fresh one and chop them or squeeze it as shown. Now soak lemon-sized tamarind in water. Now let's make rasam. Into a saucepan add oil, then goes in the mustard seeds, allow it to crackle, then add some curry leaves and the crushed spice mix. Mix it well. Now add dry red chilies as per your spice taste. Mix again and then goes in 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, that's hing, and turmeric powder. Mix well again and then add the tomatoes and give a good mix. Add little salt and allow the tomatoes to cook well. Once tomatoes are cooked well, to this add the tamarind water along with little more water to adjust the consistency. Cover and cook until it comes to a boil. Once it starts to boil, add handful of chopped coriander leaves, give a mix and that's it. Switch off the flame and rasam is ready. Have this delicious rasam with rice along with your favorite side dish, or you may drink it as a soup after meal and enjoy the nutritious loaded curry in your meals. This tamarind based rasam is loaded with full of nutrition. Next is chickpeas, also known as chane. Chickpeas are super rich in protein, vitamins and other nutrients, which not only makes a healthy diet but also boosts the immune system. Here I am soaking black and white chickpeas for around 7 to 8 hours or overnight. And then adding it to a pressure cooker with required water and salt, and then gonna cook them until they are completely done. Once the chickpeas are cooked well, we may eat it as it is or also make curries and sabzis out of it. You can see the chickpeas are well cooked and a super easy chickpeas is ready. Now let's make a quick healthy snack. For that, into a mixing bowl, add in the boiled chickpeas, then goes in chopped onions, tomatoes, carrots, cucumber, green chilies as per your spice taste. You may add veggies of your choice. Then goes in little salt, some chaat masala and lemon juice. Give all a good mix. Sprinkle some coriander leaves and that's it. A delicious and a healthy snack is ready. You may also make a tasty dip, that's hummus, out of chickpeas. I have shared the recipe on how to make hummus in my falafel recipe. Do check out the description box to see the recipe. This hummus stays fresh if refrigerated. Now let's move on. Next is carrots and cucumber. Both carrots and cucumbers are enriched with multiple essential vitamins and nutrients and are loaded with several health benefits. It also helps in strengthening the immune system. You may make various dishes using these veggies or simply have it as a salad. I personally love to have it with hummus as it's super and a healthy snack to curb our hunger. Next is ginger or adrak. Ginger is known for its remarkable medicinal properties and health benefits as it's widely used in almost all recipes. Along with its nutritional benefits, it also supports the immune system. Today sharing a very simple and instant ginger pickle recipe. For making ginger pickle, we need to cut the ginger into a very thin slice, that's julienne size. Now let me show you. Take a small piece of ginger and thinly slice it. Then take one of these slices and again thinly slice. Now repeat the process with the remaining ginger. Then into a mixing bowl, add the ginger, then goes in little salt and turmeric powder. Mix it well. And then to it add 1 lemon juice. Mix well again. If you want to use it instantly, allow it to rest for at least an hour or two and then you may have it. Store it into a glass jar. For getting the best result, keep it in sunlight for 1 day at least. Then you may have this delicious healthy ginger as a pickle with your rice or rotis and enjoy its nutritious benefits. Next, we move on to garlic or lesun. Garlic is being used for centuries in food and also as a medicine as it's loaded with incredible health benefits and it also boosts our immunity. It not only adds flavor, it also helps in fighting various illness including cold and flu symptoms. It's best to have raw garlic clove. However, due to its pungent and sharp taste, I prefer to roast the garlic. Roasted garlics can be had with soups, stews, sauces and curries. And once it's roasted, It turns into a sweet buttery taste and just melts in the mouth. Now let me show you how to roast the garlic. Into a tawa, add little olive oil and just add the peeled garlic. You may also use unpeeled one and then roast it for just few minutes. And soon you will see an instant roasted garlic is ready. Roasted garlic can be stored in glass jar in fridge for 2 weeks, and it's also a great way to preserve the garlic. After roasting, it gives a sweet buttery taste. The nutritiously healthy ginger pickle and roasted garlic is ready. Now let's move on. Next is spinach, that's palak, one of the healthiest superfood that's great for overall health. It's power-packed with full of nutrients. It can be added to salad, made purees, juices, sabzis and curries. Today sharing a very healthy dal palak curry, that's lentil spinach curry. For that take equal quantity of tuar and chana dal, that's split yellow lentils and chickpeas, wash and add in a pressure cooker. Then goes in 1 onion, 1 tomatoes, few garlic cloves, few green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and salt. Mix it well. Then soak lemon-sized tamarind in water. Pressure cook the dal until it's well cooked. After pressure releases, check the dal. This is the consistency it should be. To this, add in the chopped palak, that's spinach, and then add the tamarind water. And then cook the palak until it's done. Now let's give a quick seasoning. For that, add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Then add cumin seeds and splitted red chilies. Once it splutters, add it to the cooked dal. And that's it. A healthy spinach palak ki dal is ready. Let's move on to the last but not the least superfruit, that's avocado. This green pear-shaped fruit is fully loaded with vitamins, fibers, healthy fats and various important nutrients. It not only boosts the immune system but also protects body against illness. You may make several healthy recipes. Today I'm going to share my favorite one, that's how to make avocado salad, which is not only healthy but also tastes super delicious. Now for that, cut the avocado as shown, then remove the seed. Cut from the center and peel as shown. Here I am using 2 avocados. Now chop them into small cube size. It's an incredibly nutritious food. For making avocado salad, you can add veggies of your choice. So here I have taken chopped cucumber, onion, some olives and carrots. Now into a mixing bowl, add these veggies and then add the chopped avocados. Squeeze in lemon juice, add little salt, sprinkle some chaat masalas and add little olive oil. Mix all well and that's it. A very delicious and a super healthy salad is ready. I love to have this salad with my meal, especially during breakfast, along with some boiled eggs, toasted peanut butter and a blueberry spinach fresh juice. Eating right food and having a balanced diet is very essential. Try to include lots of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, pulses in your diet, as it not only keeps us healthy but also boosts our immune system. Along with these foods, I have also shared immune boosting drinks in my another video. Have shared the link, so please do check out, along with some home remedies for staying healthy and boosting the immune system. If at all you are allergic to any of the foods or ingredients or have any medical restrictions, do consult your health expert before trying it. Do share in comments below on what you take for boosting your immune. Hope you found this natural immune boosting recipes useful. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also like and share it. Eat healthy and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.